name is Emeka Ogboh. My art practice interrogates places through the human sensory reception. I explore how private, public, collective memories and histories are translated, transformed, and encoded into audio, visual, taste, smell, and touch. My works contemplate how these experiences capture existential relationships, frame our understanding of the world, and provide a context in which to ask critical questions on migration, globalization, and post-colonialism. Stirring the Pot is a multifarious project that interrogates the countless experiences that exist within the globalized moniker, migration. I explore migration as a function that occurs as an exchange between people and place and the construction of memory and identity left in its wake. The project is made visceral through your unique balancing of the five human senses, acting as a guide for me in dissemination of this layered and complex issue. Vision, audition, olfaction, gustation, and tactation form a framework for me as I build an understanding of migration that crafts an identity beyond the racialized anonymity it garners in academic and political discourse. Exploring this migratory relationship between Africa and Europe is a 5-channel film accompanied by a 3-channel olfactory installation and a 6-channel soundscapes intersecting to form a multidisciplinary triptych. The film, which anchors itself in the plantation of Cameroon, the shipping docks in Accra, and the streets, stores, and kitchens of Marseille, is complemented by a 3-channel olfactory installation. Drawing on this communality, I collaborated with Chef Georgina Vu to explore notions of migration and assimilation through curated cooking events that fuse West African and French flavors. I paradoxically expand the understanding of migration by reducing it to the core primal instincts that we as humans use to quantify the world around us. Stirring the Pot immerses its audience in a landscape that is ever-changing, constantly oscillating between what is deemed to be foreign and what is recognized as home. In these liminal spaces, I invited the audience to find sanctuary and solace, a sensory overload that is once overwhelming and holistic in its description of worlds beyond our imagining. Stirring the Pot embodies my artistic practice, which is as concerned with visual and audible presentation of place and movement as it is with the science that drives our neurological perception. I hope there'll be a more humane approach to the topic of migration in the future. Let's have a human connection to it and not just see it as this very abstract topic that is so problematic that we don't want to confront or deal with it.